What if I told you that the oil change your dealership performed last week is stealing nearly 3% of your fuel economy and costing you $185 every single year? Most drivers are bleeding between $125 to nearly $200 annually in wasted fuel because they're using the wrong oil. Not bad oil, just the wrong viscosity or formula for maximum efficiency. Independent testing proves there are 8 specific brands that can boost your miles per gallon by up to 3.1% in real-world driving conditions. A 2025 study testing Ford F-150s and Chevy Silverados revealed that switching to the right synthetic oil delivered an extra half to 0.6 miles per gallon. That's an additional 90 to 108 miles per tank. And let's be real, mechanics who work on their own vehicles swear by these brands. But dealerships? They keep pushing whatever oil generates the most profit for them. Today, I'm exposing 8 motor oil brands that are scientifically proven to boost your fuel economy. One of them costs $2.50 per quart, while outperforming oils that cost $14.50. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This information could save you over $1,500 in the next 5 years. Let's start with the most surprising brand on this list, one that Blackstone Labs confirmed has the identical additive package to oils costing 6 times more. Motor oil brand. Number 1, Costco Kirkland Signature Full Synthetic. Most people think you have to spend $5 to $6 per quart on premium brands like Mobil 1 or Castrol to get real fuel economy benefits, and dealerships actively discourage store brands, claiming they don't meet specifications or will void your warranty. But here's the dirty secret. Kirkland Signature Oil is manufactured by Warren Distribution, the exact same company that makes Walmart SuperTech and Amazon Basics. Independent testing by Project Farm revealed that Kirkland performs essentially identically to oils costing twice as much. Here are the numbers. Kirkland costs $24.99 for 10 quarts, which breaks down to $2.50 per quart. Compare that to Mobil 1 at $5.40 per quart. And here's the kicker. Blackstone Laboratories confirmed the additive package is identical to AmSoil, which costs $14.50 per quart. Zinc content, 870 parts per million versus Mobil 1's 868. Essentially identical wear protection. Switch to Kirkland Signature for your regular oil changes. It's available in 0W20, 5W20, and 5W30, covering 85% of vehicles on the road. This saves you $14.50 per 5-quart oil change compared to Mobil 1. For a 2-car household over 5 years, that's $290 with zero performance difference. This works perfectly in Toyota Camrys, Honda Accords, Ford F-150s, and Chevy Silverados. But if a $2.50 per quart store brand can match $14 oil, wait until you see what brand number 2's fuel economy secret revealed. Even the engineers at ExxonMobil were surprised. Motor oil brand number 2, Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy. You've probably been told that all synthetic oils deliver the same fuel economy benefits. Some mechanics still claim these low viscosity oils are too thin and will cause accelerated wear. The truth is, Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy is specifically engineered with low friction modifiers. During warm-up, it flows up to 2.8 times faster than 5W30, minimizing metal-to-metal contact when most wear occurs. According to independent testing on a Ford F-150 EcoBoost, switching from conventional 5W30 to Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy 0W20 improved miles per gallon from 23.2 to 23.8. That's a 2.6% gain, translating to $185 in annual fuel savings. Highway driving shows the best results, 2.8% miles per gallon improvement. Cold weather testing delivered 3.1% improvement due to superior flow characteristics. Check your owner's manual for the lowest approved viscosity. Switch to Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy in that viscosity. Then use Mobil 1's annual rebate program, typically $10 to $12 back per 5-quart purchase. Over 10 years, you're looking at $850 to $1,580 in fuel savings. Best candidates? Honda Civic Hybrids, Toyota Priuses, and Ford F-150 EcoBoosts. But here's what shocked me. There's a brand that costs less than Mobil 1, delivers similar gains, and comes with a 500,000-mile warranty that no other manufacturer dares to offer. Motor oil brand number 3, Pennzoil Platinum. Most people don't realize that where oil comes from affects fuel economy. There's a misconception that cleaner pistons is marketing hype with no real miles per gallon benefit. But here's the dirty secret. Pennzoil Platinum is made from natural gas using gas-to-liquid technology, not crude oil. This creates a 99.5% pure base oil. Fewer impurities means less friction and less deposit formation on your pistons. Dirty pistons create compression loss and poor combustion, which equals wasted fuel. Real-world testing shows an additional 550 miles per year on average versus conventional oils. At 15,000 annual miles, that's 22 fewer gallons consumed, saving you $66 to $99 annually. And get this, Pennzoil offers a 500,000-mile engine protection guarantee. No other brand backs their oil this way. In GM 3.6-liter V6 engines, known for oil consumption issues, Pennzoil showed superior resistance to shear breakdown. One Chevrolet Silverado owner reported consumption dropped from 2 quarts to nearly zero after switching from Mobil 1. Watch for frequent rebates, $12 to $15 mail-in rebates running 3 to 4 times per year. Retail is $24.99 per 5 quarts, but with a typical $12 rebate, your net cost is $12.99. This is critical for GM 3.6-liter V6s in Chevy Traverses, Buick Enclaves, and GMC Acadias. Excellent for all Ford EcoBoost models. If you're finding this information valuable, hit that like button to help other car owners discover these truths. Now, those first 3 brands focus on fuel economy through low viscosity and clean combustion. But brand number 4 takes a completely different approach, and it's saving high-mileage owners an average of $847 per year by solving a problem most mechanics won't even mention. Motor oil brand number 4, Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage. Conventional wisdom says once your engine starts consuming oil, there's nothing you can do except top it off or rebuild. Dealerships claim small oil leaks are normal wear and tear and quote $500 to $1,500 to replace gaskets. What they don't tell you is this: oil consumption and minor leaks are often caused by hardened seals, not worn seals. Seal conditioners and quality high-mileage oils rejuvenate the rubber, restoring flexibility without overswelling. And let's be real, running even 1 quart low increases internal friction and reduces fuel economy by 0.5 to 1.2%. Valvoline MaxLife provides 40% better wear protection than the industry standard. The full synthetic version offers 50% better wear protection. One real case, a Toyota Camry with 1 quart consumption per 500 miles reduced to 1 quart per 3,500 miles after the switch. A Subaru Forester with rear main seal leak. Leak eliminated within 2,000 miles. Switch to Valvoline MaxLife for vehicles over 75,000 miles, showing any oil consumption or minor leaks. Use the synthetic blend for $20 to $22 or full synthetic for $25 to $28. Bottom line, you eliminate $30 to $60 per year in oil top-offs, plus you avoid $1,200 gasket replacements. This works perfectly in 2006 to 2011 Toyota Camrys, RAV4s, and Corollas, Subaru Foresters, Outbacks, and Legacies from 2011 to 2015. So we've covered store brand value, specialized fuel economy formulas, premium GTL technology, and high-mileage solutions. But brand number 5 is where things get really interesting, because this oil improves fuel economy by 3.1% in winter driving. Motor oil brand number 5, Castrol Edge with fluid titanium. Most drivers believe fuel economy gains only come from using the thinnest possible oil. Many think all premium synthetic oils are basically the same. The truth is, Castrol Edge uses fluid titanium technology, microscopic titanium particles that physically bond to metal surfaces. This creates an ultra-smooth protective layer that reduces friction without requiring ultra-thin oil. Independent testing shows Castrol Edge provides 6 times better sludge prevention than API requirements. It's rated for 10,000-mile intervals, certified through independent laboratory testing. Use Castrol Edge in engines with a history of sludge formation. It's particularly effective in vehicles with variable valve timing systems. Best purchased during sales at AutoZone or Advance Auto Parts, frequently $6 to $8 off. Retail runs $27 to $28 per 5 quarts, but on sale you'll find it for $20 to $22. With 10,000-mile intervals, that's 1 change versus 2 with conventional oil. This is critical for 2006 to 2011 Toyota Camrys, Corollas, Highlanders, and Siennas with known sludge issues. VW and Audi turbocharged engines prone to sludge. Subscribe to the channel now and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more money-saving automotive insights. But brands 6, 7, and 8 are what professional mechanics actually use in their own vehicles, and the data behind these choices will shock you. Motor oil. Brand number 6, AMSOIL Signature Series. Most drivers think 25,000-mile oil change intervals are marketing hype and unsafe. There's skepticism that expensive boutique oils actually perform better than mainstream brands. But here's the dirty secret. AmSoil was the first synthetic oil to meet API service requirements back in 1972. According to the cold cranking simulator test, AmSoil measured 3,968 centipoise at -30 Celsius. That's 40% lower than Liqui Moly and Royal Purple. Lower CCS means faster oil circulation during cold starts when 75% of engine wear occurs. NOAC volatility came in at 6.7% versus Liqui Moly's 9.8% and Royal Purple's 11%. Lower volatility means much less oil consumption and better fuel economy. Use AmSoil Signature Series for extended drain intervals of 15 to 25,000 miles. This is best for highway drivers who accumulate 15,000 plus miles annually. AmSoil costs $58 per gallon, but one 25,000-mile change equals $72.50 versus 3 conventional changes totaling $105. You save $32.50 on oil alone, plus $80 to $100 per year in shop labor. This is ideal for long-distance commuters, highway-heavy driving, and turbocharged engines. Vehicles in extreme cold climates benefit most. But what if you want German engineering precision without German pricing? Motor oil brand number 7, Liqui Moly. American drivers often overlook European oil brands, assuming they're overpriced boutique products. There's a belief that German oils are only necessary for German cars. What they don't tell you is this. Liqui Moly is one of Germany's largest oil manufacturers with actual OEM partnerships: BMW, Mercedes, VW, and Porsche. The Molygen technology uses molybdenum-based friction modifiers that reduce wear and friction. User reports show a BMW 328i turbocharged owner noticed smoother operation and better highway miles per gallon versus Mobil 1. Use Liqui Moly Molygen or TopTech for European vehicles. Best purchased online through Amazon or Rock Auto. Superior high-temperature film strength protects turbo bearings, which cost $2,000 to $3,500 to replace. Molybdenum reduces friction, delivering 0.5 to 1 MPG improvement. Liqui Moly costs $45 to $55 per 5 liters. It's expensive, but it prevents costly turbo failure in European cars. This is essential for BMW turbocharged models, Mercedes-Benz C300s and E350s, Audi and VW turbocharged engines. But I saved the most controversial brand for last, because brand number 8 costs the same as store brands, yet testing proves it beat a $5 per quart premium oil in wear protection by 27%. Motor oil brand number 8, Walmart SuperTech Full Synthetic. There's a stigma against Walmart oil with assumptions it's inferior quality. Drivers fear using cheap oil will void warranties or cause engine damage. But here's the kicker. SuperTech is manufactured by Warren Distribution, the same company that makes Kirkland for Costco and Amazon Basics. The formula is APISP certified, Dexos 1 Gen 2 approved, and meets Ford and Chrysler specifications. These are identical certifications to Mobil 1, Pennzoil, and Castrol. According to Lakespeed Jr. testing a 450 horsepower small block Chevrolet, Chevron Valvoline conventional showed 11 parts per million wear metals. SuperTech synthetic showed 8 parts per million, that's 27% less wear. Blackstone Laboratories confirmed SuperTech, Kirkland, and AmSoil showed identical additive packages. They're essentially identical in wear protection chemistry. Use SuperTech Full Synthetic for routine oil changes. It's available in 0W20, 5W20, 5W30, and 10W30. You'll extend engine life with identical protection to premium brands. It meets all specifications, so it won't void your warranty. One Silverado owner documented 240,000 plus miles on SuperTech with 0 engine issues. SuperTech costs $19 to $20 per 5 quarts. Mobil 1 runs $27. 2-car household over 5 years, $140 to $320 saved with 0 performance loss. This is perfect for any vehicle under warranty: Toyota, Honda, Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, and Nissan. Hit like if you found this breakdown useful and subscribe to the channel now. So there you have it, 8 motor oil brands that actually boost fuel economy, from store brands at $2.50 per quart to German engineering at $10 per quart, with scientific testing to back every claim. Here's the real strategy. For most drivers, Kirkland or SuperTech saves $100 to $300 annually. For problem engines, Pennzoil Platinum or Valvoline MaxLife prevents $3,000 to $8,000 repairs. For extreme conditions, AmSoil or Liqui Moly provides measurable protection. For maximum miles per gallon, Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy delivers 2.6 to 3.1% proven gains. You now know more than most dealership service advisors about fuel-efficient oils. This is information they profit from you not knowing. Remember, your owner's manual knows your engine better than any dealership service advisor. Drive smart, spend wisely, and I'll see you in the next one.